I love having my studio at home. Having dreadlocks, being a dreadlock artist, my work, it's all just integrated into my daily way of life. It truly makes me happy just being in my studio right after I wake up, still in my PJs. Most of my creative inspiration hits me in the morning, so I like to jot down any ideas that I have or goals, add to my to-do list, and just generally gather my thoughts and come up with my game plan for the day or the week. Then I'll usually make my Instagram posts, catch up on emails, and send out any confirmation emails for the next few days. It's super quick and easy for me to get ready for work because I basically just wear a self-imposed uniform every day. It's kind of a minimalism thing, like I only own a few things, so I have some duplicates of the things that I love and I don't have to think about what to wear at all because I just wear the same thing every day. I start appointments at 10 o'clock and Miss Piggy and I go outside to greet every single client when they get here. Today I have Deanna first and we're just tidying up her partial locks that she started with me earlier this year. Deanna's a salon owner, so we always have so much to talk about and just not enough time because her appointment only takes me like an hour. Next I have Andrea, who randomly is also a hairstylist. Andrea's actually started working on dreadlocks a little bit recently down in Gloucester, Massachusetts, which is kind of awesome because I'm always looking to add stylists to my referral list. Today we just cleaned up her roots a little bit, patched up some weak spots, and added some extra length and fullness with extensions. I like to book little breaks in between clients, and another reason I love working at home is because it's super easy and convenient for me to just snack throughout the day on leftovers or like real food out of the fridge, as opposed to when I used to commute to work, I would typically have just brought like a granola bar or something packaged, something easy. Today I also have time to fold some laundry, so that's another perk to working at home. On maintenance days, I usually book 3 clients, so my last client today is Miriam. She's had her locks for over 12 years, and her maintenance is pretty easy. She has such an interesting life. She works in a prison, and she owns an island with a lighthouse on it on the coast of Maine, and I just love hearing about whatever she's been up to. I try to end my work days at 5, which this time of year is basically dark out already. I love my clients so much, but as an introverted person, talking all day can be really draining for me. So my mornings are more about the productivity and my evenings are really just dedicated to decompressing and spending time with my husband and my dog.